हेलो दोस्तों, तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है एक आयरन डिपॉजिट्स के ऊपर, अबाउट आयरन। तो फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट कि अपन इसके अंदर कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं जो कवर होंगे। द फर्स्ट इज कंटेंट्स में देखेंगे कि फर्स्ट है इंट्रोडक्शन। पहले अपन देखेंगे आयरन का इंट्रोडक्शन, फिर उसमें मिनरोलॉजी, आयरन का जो मिनरोलॉजी है वो पढ़ेंगे। एंड कॉमन आयरन और मिनरलाइजेशन टाइप कौन कौन से होते हैं वो, जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशंस ऑफ डिपॉजिट, और आयरन के जो जियोग्राफिकल डिपॉजिट्स होते हैं, लोकेशंस होते हैं डिपॉजिट्स के, वो फाइंड देखेंगे यहाँ पे। एंड कंक्लूजन देखेंगे एंड रेफरेंस कि ये जो टॉपिक्स हैं या जो मैंने पढ़ाया या पढ़ा हुआ है वो कहाँ से है, कितना लिया गया है। फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इंट्रोडक्शन दिस presentation and provides a comprehensive overview of major Indian iron deposits, focusing on their mineralization type, characteristics and distribution. Okay. मतलब कि जो प्रेजेंटेशन है एक प्रोवाइड करेगी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव ओवरव्यू ऑफ मेजर इंडियन आयरन डिपॉजिट्स, मतलब कि जो इंडिया में आयरन डिपॉजिट्स हैं उनके ओवरव्यू को एक रिप्रेजेंट करेगी। एंड फोकस करेगी मिनरलाइजेशन टाइप्स एंड करेक्टरिस्टिक एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस पे। अबाउट आयरन, आयरन इज द मोस्ट indispensable mineral. It is the second largest element in the earth crust. एंड आयरन जो है वो एक बहुत क्या indispensable मिनरल है, एंड ये लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट है इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट है। Iron is the most abundant metallic element in the Earth's crust and accounts for 5 to 6% of the lithosphere. And usually it is combined with other elements such as oxygen and sulfur. The next है iron and steel contribute to one of the foundation for modern industrial civilizations. And we focus on a mineralogy of iron, the category of mineralogy. First is oxide. The ore mineral is oxide में ore mineral क्या है, hematite है, and the composition is Fe2O3. The percentage of iron, तो हेमेटाइट में आयरन का 74%, मतलब कि जो ऑक्साइड होता है जिसमें ऑक्साइड कैटेगरी में देखें तो आयरन 74% प्रेजेंट रहता है। एंड द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज होती है इसमें कलर स्टील ग्रे टू रेड स्ट्रीक इसकी चेरी रेड होती है। एंड जो हेमेटाइट होता है और मिनरल, इट्स इसकी जो हार्डनेस होती है, हार्डनेस इज अबाउट टू 5 to 6 एंड 5 to 7 समथिंग। एंड हेमेटाइट इज चेरी रेड कलर एंड इट्स स्ट्रीक लाइक चेरी रेड, एंड इसका कलर जो है स्टील ग्रे, एंड इट्स हैवी। ओके। एंड द नेक्स्ट इज ऑक्साइड इज मैग्नेटाइट। Magnetite, the composition is Fe3O4 and the percentage of iron is present 70%, and the color of magnetite is black, brown black, and the streak is black, and the specific gravity is something like 5 to 5 to 7, and the hardness is 6.6 to 7.7 something. Yeah, 6.6 to 7. And the next category oxide है, and the mineral is goethite. The composition of goethite is FeOH, and the percentage of iron is present 68.5%. The color is reddish to yellowish brown, streak yellowish brown. The next is limonite. Limonite is type of a soil, and its composition is FeOH and H2O. The percentage of iron is present 55%. Color is yellowish brown to black. Streak is yellowish brown, and it is yellow color. And the specific gravity is something 3 to 4. And if we search the hardness is something 3 to 5 like. And next category is sulfide. The ore mineral is pyrite. The composition of pyrite is FeH2, and the percentage of iron is present 46.8%. The physical properties of pyrite is color is brash yellow, and the streak is greenish to brownish black. And the next is carbonate, siderite. The composition of siderite is FeCO3, and the percentage of iron is present 48.3%, and the color is yellowish brown, gray, greenish gray, and streak ash gray. And the here some pictures are shown, so you can see hematite, magnetite, goethite, limonite, pyrite, and siderite. And the next is common iron ore mineralization types. The first is the iron ore deposits of India can be broadly divided into the following six group on the basis of mode of occurrence and origin. The iron ore deposits of India. जो इंडिया का आयरन ओर डिपॉजिट्स है, इसको ब्रॉडली डिवाइडेड है, मतलब इसको एक बड़े भाग पे डिवाइड किया गया है 6 ग्रुप्स में। एंड द बेसिक ऑफ मोड ऑफ अकरेंस एंड ओरिजिन, ये उसकी अकरेंस और ओरिजिन के बेस पे है, डिवाइडेड है। द बैंडेड आयरन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्री कैम्ब्रियन एज, दो प्री कैम्ब्रियन एज में जो बैंडेड आयरन फॉर्मेशन था, फर्स्ट वो है। एंड द सेकंड इज सेडिमेंट्री आयरन ओर डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ सीडराइट, तो सीडराइट का सेडिमेंट्री आयरन ओर डिपॉजिट्स है। एंड द लिमोनेटिक कंपोजिशन है। And third है laterite ores derived from the subaerial alterations. The fourth is ores formed by magmatic activity, ऐसे ores जो magmatic activity से फॉर्म हुए हैं। And the five is titaniferous and vanadiferous magnetites. The six is fault and fissure filling deposits. The first we focus on first type of iron, the banded iron formation of Precambrian age, the BIF. BIF deposits is very well developed in India. The most common names used are banded magnetite quartzite (BMQ), banded magnetite quartzite. Okay, this belongs to Dharwar group of metavolcanics and metasediments. तो जो BIF डिपॉजिट्स है, ये इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा ही मतलब क्या डेवलप है। एंड द मोस्ट कॉमन नेम यूज्ड आर बैंडेड मैग्नेटाइट क्वार्ट्जाइट। द BIF is belong to Dharwar group, and the Dharwar group of meta volcanics and meta sediments. And the second is sedimentary iron ore deposits of siderite and limonitic composition. It is also known as bog iron deposit. Bog iron deposit. These ores of siderite and limonitic compositions are found associated with the iron stone sales of Lower Gondwana age. And the third, laterite ores are derived from the subaerial alteration. The laterite type of iron ore are derived from the subaerial alteration of rock such as gneiss, schist, basic lava under humid tropical conditions. The ores are generally concentrated at the top of resultants alteration product of the iron bearing parent rock and consist of oxidized and insoluble rock constituent. The fourth is ores formed by magmatic activity. A zone of apatite magnetite rock is found closely associated with the copper belt of Singhbum. These are supposed to have been formed by magmatic activity associated with Precambrian dystrophic cycle when the rocks of the shear zone were thrust and intruded by intermediate igneous rocks. And the fifth is titaniferous and vanadiferous magnetites. The vanadiferous titaniferous magnetites deposits are associated with gabbroid and ultrabasic rocks. And in Karnataka, titaniferous magnetites occurs as linear bands with a prominent outcrop in a narrow belt or dharwar rocks, which are composed of amphibolite and hornblende systems surrounded by peninsular niches and intruded by an ultrabasic complex. The sixth is fault and fissure filling deposits. This type of deposits occur in a fall zone traversing the niches and Kutappa formation over a length of several kilometers. The ore bodies from lava, hill rocks, or ridges which stand above the ground and are land shaped. They also form veins and stringers in the fault zones. The ore is generally hematite and is often slightly peculiar character and also jasper when it is siliceous. And next point is geographical locations of deposits. The major deposits of iron ores are located in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Goa. And we can see here Indian iron ore formation and occurrence. So formations. First formation is a quaternary. The quaternary formation. Nature of ore is a nature of ore laterite, and the occurrences many states derived from many formation, including Deccan traps. And the next formation is tertiary, Miocene, and Eocene. The nature of ore is iron stone. Uh, iron stone occur in South India, Travancore, Malabar, etc., Assam, Northeast states, UP, Kumon. And next formation is Gondwana Barkar. The nature of ore is Gondwana Barkar is iron stone and siderite, and it is occur on West Bengal, Birbhum. The next is mm, mm, Gon- Mahadeva formation, And the nature of ore is siderite. And the occur Mahadeva formation is occur Jharkhand or Ranga coalfield. Triassic. The next formation is Triassic iron stone shells and is iron stone and Siderite, Hematite and Goethite. West Bengal, Raniganj coalfield, Kashmir is a occurrence. Kutappa, Vizawar, Gwalior. The next formation is Kutappa, Vizawar, Gwalior, and the ore nature of ore is hematite and ferruginous quartzite. The occurrence is Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior, Indore, etc. Andhra Pradesh and in Andhra Pradesh, Kutappa, Kutappa in Andhra Pradesh, and the next formation is Precambrian basic and ultra basic rocks. The ore nature of ore is titaniferous and vanadiferous magnetite. And the occurrence is Jharkhand, southeast Singhbhum, Odisha, Mayurbhanj, Karnataka. And next formation is granodiorite. And the ore is apatite, magnetite rocks. And the occurrence is Singhbhum group. Singhbhum group. And the next formation is granite. Nature of ore is magnetite, residual magnetite. And the occurrence is Assam, Jaintia Hills, Karnataka, Kudremukh. And the banded iron formation. The nature of ore is a hematite, massive, sally, pottery, and etc. And the occurrence is Orissa, सुंदरगढ़, कोइंझार, कर्नाटका में सिमोखा, बेलरी हॉटस्पॉट, हॉसपेट, एंड नेक्स्ट इज झारखंड में सिंहभूम वेस्ट, महाराष्ट्र, रतनगिरी एंड चंद्रैप. And the next formation is banded iron. Nature of ore is magnetite quartzite. The occurrence is Tamil Nadu, Salem, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Guntur. Formation and occurrence Karnataka, Singhbhum, and Chikmagalur. And here are some conclusions which we can, which is in conclusion, understanding the major iron deposits and their mineralization type is essential for effective resource management and economic planning. With ongoing research and advancement in mining technologies, India can optimize the extraction and utilization of these valuable natural resources. And this topic is end here. Thank you, and thank you for watching the video.